Tell me about the kisses again.
I can't kiss anyone who looks contagious. It's like a walking disease.
Oh my god. Yeah, they have to have fucking clean teeth.
I don't know. I just really like that feeling that comes from looking.
I know. Lily. 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 So where are we off to now?
You know, it's around the town.
Shut up, Bijan. You're so funny.